Hello everyone, Innovative Nobel, Namaskar. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Nobel Environment Academy. Myself Manjit Patel, your science teacher. Now we are going to study in the online classes. Hope you will stay with me till in my classes. Now, today we are going to read about the simple machine, our new chapter. We use a variety of machines like knife, scissor, pulley, screw, axe, etc. to make our work easier and faster. These machines have simple structure, so they are called simple machines. Simple machines help us to work effectively, they help us to perform medical work using a muscular energy. We use different types of machine in our daily life to make our work easier. We use different types of machines in our daily life to make our work easier, faster and comfortable. A pulley is used to pull a bucket of water from a well. A crowbar is used to overcome a heavy stone. A knife is used to chop vegetables. A nail cutter is used to cut nails. A bottle opener is used to open the lid of the Coca-Cola bottles. A screwdriver is used to unscrew or tighten the knot or so on. So, simple machine is a device. Simple machine is a device having simple structure which makes our work easier, faster and more convenient. Convenient means comfortable. Once more, we are going to read. Simple machines are the machine having simple structure which makes our work easier, faster and more comfortable or convenient. Some simple machines are shown in the figure below. These are the instruments of the simple machine: nail cutter, bottle opener, knife and crowbar. Some machines are complex in structure and difficult to operate. Some machines are complex in structure. For example, this is the figure of the some machines which are complex and difficult to operate. Bicycles, motorbike, car, etc. are made by the combination of several types and number of simple machines, so on. They are called complex machines. The machines which makes our work easier, faster and more comfortable and simple in structure are called simple machine. For example, pulley, crowbar, nail cutter, bottle opener, etc. We use simple machine of different purpose which are as follows. Number one is to multiply the force applied. The purpose of the simple machines are to multiply the force applied, to change the direction of the force applied, to help to apply force at the convenient point. Now, the types of simple machine. Simple machines are classified into following 6 types on the basis of their structure and use. They are: number 1, lever; number 2, pulley; number 3, wheel and axle; number 4, inclined plane; number 5, screw; and the last one, 6, is wedge. Number 1, lever. A lever is a straight or bent, rigid body, rigid bar which moves freely about a fixed point. A lever is a straight or bent, rigid bar which moves freely about a fixed point is known as lever. The fixed point of the lever lever is called fulcrum. The fixed point of the lever is called fulcrum. In a lever, effort is applied at one point to lift a load on another point. Here you can see in the diagram, there is a fulcrum. Here the effort is applied to lift the load. A lever consists of three parts like fulcrum, effort and load. The work done on the machine is called input work, and the useful work done by the machine is called output work. The distance between the fulcrum and the point where effort is applied is called effort arm. The distance between the fulcrum and the effort where the force is applied is known as the effort arm. Here you can see on the diagram. The distance between the fulcrum and the point where load acts is called load arm or distance. The distance between the fulcrum and the point where load acts is called load arm or load distance. Here you can see the distance between the fulcrum and the load is known as load arm or load distance. When lever is ideal and in balanced condition, input work is always equal to the output work. It is also called the principle of lever. And here, if the input work is equal to output work, it is known as the principle of lever. Some common levers that are used in our daily life for various purposes are as follows. For example, scissor, seesaw, beam balance are the examples of the simple machines of the lever. Now, number seconds, pulley. Now, number second is pulley. Have you seen people lifting wire from the well using a pulley? The pulley helps to lift the water from the well. Have you observed the structure of the pulley? A pulley consists of a circular disc. A pulley consists of a circular disc having a groove over which a rope is passed. The pulley consists of a circular disc having a groove over which a rope is passed. A simple machine having a groove in a circular metallic disc or wooden disc over which a rope passed is called pulley. Once more, a simple machine having a groove in a circular metallic disc or wooden disc over which a rope pass is called pulley. In a pulley, the load is connected to one end of the rope and the effort is applied at another end. In one end, the effort is applied and another end, the load is held. When the rope moves, the disc rotate. When the rope moves, then the disc also rotate. Number 3 is wheel and axle. You might have seen simple machine having two cylinders of different radius like screwdriver, knob of tap, the steering of a car, bobbing of a kite, pedal of a bicycle, etc. The simple machines are the example of wheel and axle. Wheel and axle is an arrangement of two coaxial. Wheel and axle is the arrangement of two coaxial cylinders of different radius attached to each other. Here you can see two cylinders with different radius are attached to each other. This is known as wheel and axle. The cylinder which have long radius is called wheel. The cylinder which have long radius is called wheel, and that having shorter radius is called axle. That having shorter radius are called axle. The rope is wound around the wheel and axle as shown in given figure. This is the figure of wheel and axle. If we rotate the wheel, the axle also rotate. If we rotate the wheel, the axle automatically rotate. When the wheel completes one rotation, the axle also completes the same. When we rotate the wheel one rotation, then the axle also rotates the same. axle. But distance by the wheel is more than the axle due to the different radius. But their distance are covered different. So the effort is applied to the free end of the rope on around the wheel, and the load is connected to the free end of the rope on around the axle. Here is also like the pulley system, while in the end of one rope, here we can use the effort, and in another end of the rope we can use the tie the load. These are the examples of the wheel and the axle. Number one is steering of the car, screwdriver, bobbin of a kite, handle of sewing machine. And number four is inclined plane. We know that it is difficult to climb up hilly areas by vehicles without winding roads. Similarly, it is very difficult to load a heavy drum of kerosene into a truck, but it can be lifted easily by using a wooden plank. Here you can see in the diagram, this is a figure of the inclined plane. The wooden plank is on the incline, which helps to pull the bucket of the kerosene on the truck. So a plane surface which makes an angle with horizontal surface and used to push things upward is called inclined plane. The definition of the inclined plane are a plane surface which makes an angle with horizontal, and used to push things upward, and used to things push upward is known as inclined plane. It is considered as a simple machine because it works easier and comfortable by carrying heavy loads. These are the examples of the wheel. These are the examples of inclined plane. And number 5 is screw. A screw is a simple machine which is used to lift very heavy loads and tie the knots. A screw is a simple machine which is used to lift very heavy loads and tie the knot. Actually, screw is modified from an inclined plane with grooves cut in it. It looks like a nail having a winding edge called a thread. It looks like a nail having a winding edge called a thread. The distance between two screw thread is called a hinge. The distance between two screw thread is called a hinge. The force is applied on the head of the screw with the help of the screwdriver. The examples are jack screw, beaviour, and screw nails. And number last 6 point is wedge. A wedge is a simple machine which has two or more slopy surfaces that trap to form a sharp edge or pointed edge. A wedge is a simple machine which has two slopy surfaces. These are the slopy surface of the wedge that trap to form a sharp edge. Examples are axe, knife, nail, etc. Wedges are used for splitting, cutting, and drilling holes. Its use are splitting, cutting, and drilling holes. A wedge consists of a blunt and a sharp pointed. Wedge consists of the upper surface is blunt, which is not sharp, and the bottoms are sharp, which helps to drill holes, cutting, or splitting. We should apply effort to the blunt end. We should apply effort on the upper surface of this wedge, which helps to split, cut, and drill holes. Next. These are the examples of ways they are axe, knife and slide. Now we are going to study about the importance of simple machine. We do different types of work in our day-to-day activities. Some work are easy and some work are difficult. We use more effort in difficult works. Such types of work can be done by using simple machines. Simple machines make our work easier, faster, comfortable and help to multiply the force applied. Now, utility of simple machine. What are the use of simple machine? Some common simple machine that are commonly used in our daily life with their use are given below. Number 1, beam balance is used to measure the mass of the different object. Beam balance is the simple machine, example of the simple machine which is used to measure the mass of a different object. Scissors are used to cut paper or cloth. This is the use of the simple machine. Number 3, knot cutter is used to crack different types of knot. Number 4, wheelbarrow is used to carry load. Number 5, crowbar is used to lift heavy load. The 6th point, screwdriver is used to tighten and or screw knot. Pulley is used to lift heavy load and draw water from the well. Knife is used to chop vegetables and fruit. Axe is used to chop firewood. And number 10, fishing rod is used to catch the fish. These are the examples of simple machine: beam balance, scissor, knot cutter, wheelbarrow, crowbar, screwdriver, pulley, knife, axe and fishing. And their use are here. Beam balance is used to measure the mass of the different body objects. Scissors are used to cut paper and clothes. Knot cutter is used to crack the knot. Wheelbarrow is used to carry loads. Crowbar is used to lift heavy loads. Screwdriver is used to tighten and unscrew the knot. Pulley is used to lift heavy loads and draw water from the well. Knife is used to chop vegetables and fruit. Axe is used to chop firewood and fishing rod is used to catch the fish. Now you can see the homework on your screen or page number 37. You can turn the page number 37. You can see your homework. Question number 3, answer the following question. Number A is, what is simple machine? Write its 3 advantages. Number B is, how many types of simple machines are there? Write their name. What is a complex machine? Write any 2 examples. What is a lever? Write the name of various types of lever. What is pulley? Why it is used in our daily life? What is a wheel and axle? Write any 3 examples. What is an inclined plane? Write why it is used. What is a screw? Write any 3 examples. What is a wedge? Write any 3 examples. These are your homework. If you have done your homework, please send me it into your School Messenger app or Max Connect app. If you are new in our channel, please subscribe our channel and touch the bell icon. Please like, share and comment us.